Okay, so this is the strongest iced coffee ever. It's got like a couple of shots of coffee, and then I put some ice in it, and then I put some soy milk because I like iced coffees. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. It's like iced coffee syrup. It tastes like coffee. It makes it so much stronger, but I really need a really strong coffee today to get through everything. This is our lounge room at the moment. I usually have like all DVDs and stuff there, and this is all my stuff. Juanita hasn't started packing yet. I think she's got less stuff to do because she's just moving her room and I'm moving the whole house kind of thing. This is like all my bedroom stuff. I've got like all my electrical stuff. I've got like an epilator. I have a microdermabrasion thing, which I don't know if I'm actually going to keep because I feel like I've never used it and I've lost some of the things for it. I've got my GHD, all my I think there's a few curlers in there, just random different electrical stuff. My drawer from my desk, which is still in my room, and I've got books. I've got so many books. I've got my clothes, which I had to put stuff on top because the cats were going into my clothes. Top of my clothes is Peach and Evie's box. It's got all their toys and their outfits. So that's there. More stuff here. And Peach is loving all these boxes. They've been playing through them at night time, and I come out and some of them are unpacked. I'm like, no! Pillows are naked because I've just washed all the covers. It will be pink and pretty when I've got the covers back on, but that's my couch. The rug, tables, my old man chair over here, which I love, and so does Evie. Hey, baby. Oh, sleepyhead. And then I've got everything there because I ran out of coat hangers, which I've got new ones here, and then more clothes and boxes. That's Tim's, and he originally had it so it's like this dark colour, but I prefer the light grey. So I don't know if I want to keep that or go back to white, but we're trying to compromise with colours and stuff. And then I've got my ensuite, which again, just give you a quick look. Hey, oh yeah, by the way, my skin was acting horrible, so I have got a face mask on at the moment because I have got a wedding to go to at 2 o'clock today, so yay. Then you walk out of our room. That's Josh's room, Tim's guitars, the other bathroom for the other two guys, Hayden's room. Then this room's also ours because we're paying for 2 rooms. So we get an office, which is really nice. It's like a full-length window that goes to the ground. It's really pretty, but your neighbours can see straight in, which I'm not too keen of. It's Tim's desk all set up with his little iced coffee, and then his stuff that is unpacked here, and then my desk is going to go there. And you're not allowed in that room, are you? And you get really upset. And yeah, this is the lounge room at the top. It's got its own closet. Cat's toys. Look how cute it is. A pattern for them. Then you go downstairs and there's like 3 windows. So there's a lot of natural light, which is really nice. That's a bed base we couldn't fit up the stairs. So I think we're going to give that a go this afternoon again. But so far it doesn't fit. This is the kitchen, and that's Tim on the phone to the internet. And the lounge room, we've got, yeah, nothing is in place yet. Like this is probably going to go there. I don't know where this one's going to go. Outdoor table. Yeah, that's a quick tour of it so far. Nothing's really in place and there's still a lot to do. I'm kind of stressing out about my other place because I've still got a lot of stuff there. I've got to move, I've got to do my bond clean, I've got a week to do all that. And this is taking so long to do that. So we needed more furniture to fill up the house, so we went on an adventure to IKEA, which is always fun because I want absolutely everything that's there. We needed a coffee table, a TV unit, and some bedside tables, and whatever thing else we could find that we needed. And I wanted all the fake flowers. The fake flowers there are just so nice. I was obsessed with them, and I love this desk. There's just a setup. It looks so eclectic but tidy, and these chandeliers, oh, Tim wouldn't let me have the chandelier, but I did really want it. And I always love white furniture, but this, just how they set this dark room up, it was just amazing. Anyway, all the display rooms were absolutely amazing, and I loved each and every one of them, but we needed to get just the basic boring furniture.
So luckily we had like a list of kind of everything we needed, and we had to go find it. Then we picked up the goods and we headed back, and goodbye IKEA, I miss you already. So we got everything we needed, and oof, my eyelashes were looking popping. They were so nice, except one of the corners was like poking me in the eye and they started hurting. And then we went back and we set up all the furniture. And flat back furniture is a pain to set up. This is why everything is so cheap. It's so hard to get all those little bits and pieces. You don't realize how much there is. And this is just me putting together a lamp that I got from Kmart because I was obsessed with these lamps. I got 2 for $25, which is pretty good, and they're touch lights, so they're really funky. I'm just obsessed with them.
Okay, so this isn't completely finished, but to end this video I kind of wanted to give you guys a look at how everything is coming together. So just keep in mind that it's not entirely finished, and you'll see bits that are like still needing to be done. But this is the bed so far. We kind of agreed on like a grey and white kind of colour scheme. Again, this probably isn't what we're going to stick to, because this was Tim's old blanket, because it's like a really dark colour on the other side. It's my pink sheet and a mixture of pillows. Over here is a bookcase for Tim to put his stuff. There's not really anything on it. I've put some of my moisturisers and a candle on there, and my face mask and a blanket so far. Tim's ukuleles, mirror with his hats, TV with one of my old bookcases that was in my room, and I've kind of organised a few books. Still don't know what I'm going to do with these last 2 cubes though. And then we got these little side tables which we got from IKEA, and they're actually little stools, but I think they look really good because we didn't want anything too big or bulky. We didn't really want anything with drawers because we don't have anything for drawers. All we needed was something for our lamp, our phone, and glass of water, maybe the TV remote that's over there. Like, we didn't need drawers really. These lamps are really cool. I love them. They're from Kmart, and they're just little touch lights. Just tie it all together at night where you don't want the big light on. It just looks really pretty. The actual main light switch and the fan switch, which is in a very odd place in the wall, but that's okay. And I got this, which I put my little decorative pillows in. Got my drawers, got a few bits and pieces together that I'm not finished. I've got to paint those little scuff marks up. So that's that. Quick look at our wardrobe. We kind of put it together. It's not entirely finished. This isn't how I want it to look. Like, all this is still a bit messy, but it's all coming together pretty good. Our bathroom, there's me in my pajamas because I've got to get ready for work now. Got a few brushes, hair clip, shower, which is a really big shower. I think the water that comes out of this tap here smells funny. Tim said it doesn't. Every time I wash my face in the morning, I think the water smells. The shower seems to be fine. I haven't thought that smells, but it like even has this weird taste, and it's like very small. Like, you can't really taste it, but you can. And Tim hasn't noticed it. But when my little sister came over, she said that it smelt as well, the water that comes out of this tap, and tastes a little bit funny. But so far, I have not noticed the shower smells, which is good. Then if you go in the shower, you've got all our stuff. Whee! Got all my stuff in this horrible little pile down here. Razor, little foot file thing. I got this thing. So I got like this really cheap version, which keeps your makeup really, really well. It's like $30, and I use it with my cleanser, which is here. Look out here. This is lounge room number 2 upstairs. Got a leather couch. Like, we definitely need something here. This is what I mean about it's not entirely finished. There's still bits that need doing. So far I've just got my bird painting. Did I turn those fairy lights off last night? No, they're still on. Oh, those fairy lights are gonna be dead. So we've got fairy lights going between all the rooms and the stairs. I do have cardboard on the bottom window because I feel like every time someone walks by they stare into our house, so it's a bit of privacy. the kitchen. It's really weird. It's like a walk-through kitchen to the lounge room. And then this is the coffee table we set up. And the TV cabinet that we set up from IKEA. And it all comes together quite well. You know, everything is black and white kind of thing. Keep them more the neutral ones. And then we've got my DVDs in here. Garage, we've got the pool table, got my old man couch. I don't think there's anything too exciting. No, that's about it. So yeah, thanks for coming along on my journey of moving house. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it's not completely done. If you have any suggestions of what I can do, because I really want like a painting, but I just don't know what I want. But if you have got any suggestions to make it a bit more homey, then let me know in the comments below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!